Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for overall health, your liver. The liver is one of the most vital organs in your body, responsible for detoxifying the blood, producing bile, and storing essential nutrients. To keep your liver in tip-top shape, it's important to include liver-friendly foods in your diet. Let's explore the top 10 foods that promote a healthy liver. Garlic is a powerful superfood that's rich in sulfur, which activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. It also contains selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidant action and supports liver cleansing. Adding garlic to your meals not only enhances flavor, but also gives your liver a health boost. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are loaded with chlorophyll, which helps neutralize heavy metals and toxins in the blood. These greens also support the liver's detoxification process and help in maintaining its overall function. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your diet is a great way to promote liver health. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and nutrients like glutathione, a compound that helps the liver detoxify harmful substances. They also reduce liver damage and support overall liver function. A serving of avocado in your salad or smoothie can be a delicious way to support your liver. Beets are rich in antioxidants and nutrients like folate, fiber, and betaine. These compounds support liver function by reducing inflammation and enhancing detoxification. Beets also stimulate bile production, which helps in breaking down fats and removing waste from the liver. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, both of which are essential for liver detoxification. They help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting the liver from damage. Snacking on a handful of walnuts can be a heart-healthy and liver-friendly choice. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory spice that contains curcumin, a compound known for its liver-protective properties. Curcumin helps stimulate the production of bile, aiding in digestion and fat metabolism. Adding turmeric to your diet can be an easy and effective way to support liver health. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients help in the natural cleansing of the liver and boost the production of liver enzymes that flush out toxins. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can be a simple yet effective liver cleanse. Olive oil is a healthy fat that supports liver health by providing a lipid base that can absorb harmful toxins from the body. It also reduces the fat buildup in the liver and improves its function. Using olive oil as your primary cooking oil can be beneficial for your liver. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which support liver function and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Drinking green tea regularly can help protect your liver from toxins and improve its overall efficiency. Apples are high in pectin, a type of fiber that binds with toxins in the digestive tract and helps the body eliminate them, easing the burden on the liver. Eating apples regularly can aid in detoxification and support liver health. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can go a long way in supporting and maintaining a healthy liver. Remember, your liver is essential to your overall well-being. So take care of it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and these liver-friendly foods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness videos.